have over 20 large NC milling machines and mill turns. So quite complex programmable machines that are all there to machine pretty much every part of the car we could manufacture in-house if we wanted to.
The machine shop is part of the engine house of Red Bull Racing, and we're machining not only metallics, we're machining carbon composites as well.
One of the jobs of the machine shop is to constantly improve the way they machine parts and machine weight out of the metal. But really it's also about how quickly we can machine parts, because we need to get parts to the track to get there in time for the race. So machining parts quickly, but then additionally with the best precision and quality that we can, because we need parts to be reliable on track to help us win races.
Well, there's always been a balance between obviously the sophistication of the machines, but they're only as good as the numbers that you put into them. So the operators are still critical.
First equipment is men. We need lots of men because it's handmade. We need autoclaves, 5-axis machines, freezers, hand tools, lots and lots of different equipment.
You've only got to look at some of the work they're producing, and it's they're pieces of art, whether it's a wheel nut or the machining of a chassis mold. It's phenomenal the work that they're able to produce. But the paint process of the car is something that's critical, because one, it's got to look right, but it's a performance element as well. So obviously weight is a critical factor, so you don't want loads of filler and lacquer and build up of paint on the car. And of course you also need an extremely smooth finish and surface finish. So it's a very technical area that's often overlooked in terms of what it actually does contribute, because not only is it the aesthetics and the look and the feel of the car, it genuinely does contribute to performance as well.
Weight is our biggest challenge, so we're constantly trying to make the car lighter and lighter. It can sometimes be the case that we're machining parts up to the week of the event, where we then need to get those parts out to the track as quickly as we can. And that is the nature of this business, pushing change through the business as quickly as we can, working right up to the last minute.